Welcome back, my friends, to another job lead video. If you are new here, my name is Lindsay, and I am always searching all over the internet to bring you the best work from home job leads there are. We will keep this one very quick, short, and to the point. This is a remote work from home position for my US-based or Canada-based viewers. The company Webflow is a visual web development platform that empowers non-coders to create incredible experiences on the web. They are looking for a customer support associate in billing, and they're looking specifically for someone who can work weekends. Now, this is not a phone-based customer service job. It says you will provide consistently high-quality customer experience for all Webflow customers, and you'll help customers in the support queues using applications including but not limited to Zendesk and Jira. Jira, I hope I'm saying that right. So those are online ticketing platforms when you go into a website and put a help ticket in. So that's what you'll be responding to is help ticket online through like email, chat. It is not phone based. You will file bugs, troubleshoot issues, and collaborate with the team to provide excellent customer experience. And you'll advocate for the customers and work closely with the team. Now, they are looking for someone who has experience in customer support over email and live chat, again, because this is not phone-based, someone who has technical customer service experience, somebody who has an understanding of Webflow products, and someone who knows a little bit of HTML or CSS, someone who can demonstrate written and verbal communication skills in English and the ability to learn new digital tools quickly. They want someone who will advocate for others, including customers and colleagues. And they are looking for someone who is creative. Now, they do mention in their own job description, if you don't meet 100% of the above qualifications, you should still seriously consider applying. They say studies show that you can still be considered for a role if you meet just 50% of the role's requirements. So just throwing that out there. Now, a little bit about what they will give back to you. They do have some benefits. It says it's a salaried position, although they don't discuss what salary is. It says that they'll pay you to take a vacation. You get a $1,000 bonus just for a vacation. They will give you 5 sabbaticals after 5 years of service. And of course, they provide their remote work from home employees with the equipment needed to do the job. So they will provide you with the computer and everything. And they give you a productivity stipend so that you can create a great remote work environment. So they will give you a budget for home office supplies. It does say you'll need a valid U.S. work authorization to join them. If you end up applying for this job, please leave it in the comments below and let us all know. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back very shortly with another job lead. If this one did not work out for you, I've posted a bunch of other videos over the last few days, so make sure you go check them out. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.